Can you guess the car just from the side? Let's see what you have got. Let's warm up. Side view made simple. Big, bold, and boxy. Who drives this legend? G-Class, unmistakable from any angle. Compact and iconic. You have seen it around. It's the Mini Cooper, small and stylish. Clean, reliable, and favored worldwide. Corolla, simple and dependable design. Which of these is fully electric? Polestar 2, pure electric performance. Epoxy SUV, built for serious adventures. That's the Wrangler, tough and timeless. Ultimate luxury on 4 wheels. Phantom, elegance in motion. Getting trickier, these sides are sneaky. Classy silhouette, but who owns it? XF, smooth, stylish, and British. Sharp angles and silent power. Model S, electric elegance. A safe ride with a Swedish flavor. That's the Volvo S90, smooth and secure. Which logo includes an animal? Porsche's crest hides a wild horse. Stylish with a proud French soul. Peugeot 508, sharp and sophisticated. Smooth, futuristic, and fully electric. Lucid Air, silent, sleek, and stunning. Alright Car Pro, time to focus hard. Low, wide, and full of range. Hurricane, you can know that shadow anywhere. Rare beauty, with Italian aggression. Huayra, art meets aerodynamics. Sharp, clean, with serious tech inside. A6, subtle style, serious power. Which car is the fastest? Bugatti, built for speed records. Scandinavian EV vibes. Polestar 2, minimal and magnetic. Japanese strength and legacy. Maxima, the original four-door sports car. No hints now, just your car instincts. Guess the car's logo. Giulia, stylish, fast, and distinctly Italian. Bold, loud, and American through and through. Charger, power you can feel. Classic shape, modern icon. M5, precision rapid in muscle. Which car brand is no longer in production? Daewoo, gone but not forgotten. Electric adventure with truck strength. R1T, redefining electric trucks. A classic brand few remember. Thema, stylish history from Lancia. So that's it for today guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Tell us how much did you hit in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, see you soon.